What's going on, guys? Here at Walmart. I'm actually trying to fix this bag, as you guys can see. This is for my vacuum chipper. So fixing it, I know I'm gonna get a little bit more money out of it. So I'm here trying to figure it out. We got zippers, which that's the problem. But if I could find this part here, then hopefully that fixes the problem. Or we could go with a different route. I can add buttons to it so they can close it up and open it up. So we'll see. So I just came back from Walmart. I didn't do a lot of video in there. In where I live at over in Secaucus, the Walmart in Secaucus is freaking insane, overpacked, it's retarded. So like I was saying, this is the machine. This is the Troy Boy that I picked up for free. It did bring it bagger, but the zipper is literally shot on there. Okay, so I picked up these buttons, not buttons, but like how you call it? Yeah, it's like buttons. I don't freaking know. But yeah, I'm gonna put them on here. At least they get to close it up, and I can make a little extra on it. So we'll see. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna put these buttons on it. This is the cheapest way to go. Like little clips, you can see. Okay. Like snap rings. That's what it's like. Snap, like that. It snaps together. So you can see, literally just goes like that, snapping with each other. Okay. Hope you guys can see that. So. Uh-oh.
The bubble went high. So high.
Where the other one went? I think I just swallowed it. Okay. Well, luckily I bought 2 packs. So basically what I'm going to do is,
Dad, look, see the bubble?
basically snap it, put rings here, up here, and come back down here. Gonna try. Never done this before, so I don't know how it's gonna come out basically. So I guess this is gonna lock it in place, right? So there's no type of instructions on how to use this. Okay, so A. Okay. So they use both of these. Okay. So this little one, this goes behind. Julian. This goes. I'm trying to do a video. Say hi to everybody. Sorry guys, he's loud as hell. So this little clip goes behind both sides.
I start the pink. Dad, I start the pink. Please.
No, you already got the blue. They're all the same thing.
I want the pink.
But they're all the same thing, Papa.
I don't want the blue. I want the pink.
So I guess this is gonna be.
What's this?
Stop.
I'm trying to kill the pink.
So it looks like a flat part is gonna be here. So this is gonna hit up like this. All right. So I guess. I wonder if I do it right next to the zipper. Like right over here. If I do it here, I can. I'm literally gonna have to cut some of this off, literally. So. Because you hold it there and you're supposed to hit it with the hammer. I guess that did work. And then the other end, you guys can see, look like a little nipple. We'll snap into here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It actually did work. Look at that. Looky, looky. This crap actually worked. You guys can see, it's right there. So, I know what you guys, some of you guys can say, just buy another zipper. Listen, I tried to look for a zipper on it, no good. I tried to bring it to a dry cleaners. They looked at me and laughed. So I'm like, screw it. This is exactly what I'm gonna do.
Tiny, so tiny.
This kid got the same bubbles. It's just on different bottles. He wants to try all of them.
I don't want it.
Alright, so now I guess we go on the other side here. If I was smashing my finger here. I think I just smashed the nipple, so I guess it didn't work like that. But it does bring a tool because, you know. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
So now we're gonna clean it up.
Yeah.
Spray right here, Julie.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Right here. Yeah. Right here. Yeah.
No more spray.
Why?
Because it's all done.
There? Yeah? Yeah? You're gonna clean me down.
Alright, now we get some Armor All.
Mama?
Armor All.
Oh my God.
Oh! Bobby, you can fall. Don't do that. You almost can fall. You gotta be careful. No, you gotta be careful.
I hold it. Put this away.
Make it look nice, you know. Make it look shiny.
I want a clean. I know what to do it then.
No, I gotta do this part.
Please?
I gotta do this part. I don't want you overspraying it.
My dad no want to stay with the grandma, and my dad's.
Good job. Joe, back up.
My dad is standing here. Then
You like to be in the camera? You're a silly boy. Gotta love kids. Gotta love them. Especially in that age. And all they want to do is be like daddy. Juju, no, don't touch it. Don't touch the screen. Julian,
my dad wants.
you're on the camera.
I want to clean it.
You want to clean it? All right, give me 1 second. I'll let you clean it up, okay?
Okay. Clean the wheel. You clean this one, okay? No, I'm cleaning that one.
No, I know. You got to do it again. Yeah.
I'm gonna do it that one? That one? Yeah?
Yeah.
I can hold it.
No, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I'm making my food. Dad, look. Make a food like this. I'm making my food. My food. My food. I say my food.
Here, finish cleaning. You're gonna have more all over your hands, but.
Only that is honing this one.
Joe. You silly boy. All right, so we got it nice cleaned up. Runs great. Turns on first pull.
I want to hose
Got the bagger system on.
I want to hose it.
This is somewhat, you know,
I want to
somewhat
hose
still,
it.
I guess.
I want to hose
So, not bad. And it was free. So we'll see, we're gonna post this up, take some pictures, post it up, and let's see if I can get some bites. So, yep, until next time, guys, mind the Mars.